Hey, I'm Rachel and Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and I was asked a question about how do you diversify your income, which is such a good question. And this is something that I learned the hard way. So when I first started my business at the age of 23, I was doing network marketing. I was all into network marketing. That's all I was doing. That's pretty much where all my income came from. Our entire family's income was network marketing. The company restructured, my income was cut in half, and that was a big wake-up call of, girlfriend, you cannot have all your eggs in one basket. And I'll tell you now, you cannot have all your eggs in one basket. I don't want you to go through what I went through. So I want to share with you just what some of my income sources are. And you definitely want to make sure you are diversifying like yesterday, because tomorrow is not promised with your job, like job security, not promised, right? Whatever it is that you're doing right now, it's not promised. So you want to make sure that you have different streams of income. So the first thing that I did was actually I created my first ebook ever was in 2014, the Busy Mom Cookbook. So that was fun. My second ebook that I created was Keto-ish. It's a simplified guide to eating high fat, low carb. You can check it out on my blog, rachel.com. That still sells almost every day. Ebooks are not gonna make you a ton of money. Just so you're clear on that, I make maybe like a couple $100 a month from my ebook, but it's consistent income. It's passive. I made this well over like a year and a half ago, and I don't do any promotion whatsoever. So it's literally just people coming to my blog and then seeing it and buying it, which is pretty cool. The next thing that I did was create my course, The Food Freedom Project, which people are still buying from my fitness blog that I haven't touched in over a year. So creating an online course is a great way to generate passive income. That course itself doesn't make big bank because I sell it for like $47. Having a higher end, like higher price point is definitely going to be the way to go. So I then launched Pin with Purpose, which is a course that we sell for $397. So that is where a lot of our income comes from at this point. We then launched the Impact Blogging Academy, which you have to get on the wait list for that. It's not open right now. What else did we launch? We launched our mini course, Creating Killer Content. And so that one brings in like $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Just a little mini course teaching people how to use search engine optimization and title their blogs the right way so they get more people to their website. What else did I do next? I started offering one-on-one coaching. And so I wasn't offering it. I just had people messaging me, asking me, can you coach me? And I'm like, sure, let's do it. So now I have private clients that I'm working with on a one-on-one basis. And then we launched Activate, which is actually a group coaching program. So that's another source of revenue. But I like the coaching. I love everything that I do in my business. But one of my favorite things is getting to work with people on either one-on-one or in a small group setting so I can really dive into their business and get them results. Other sources, I'm looking at my spreadsheet now. Affiliate sales. So we are affiliates. I only recommend becoming an affiliate for programs that you love and that you use. So we're an affiliate for Tailwind and Kajabi and ClickFunnels and Bluehost and Try Low Carb. What else? We still are making money from our network marketing company. I think we made about like $30,000 from that company that we haven't touched in a year. So, I mean, network marketing, even though my income was cut in half, it gave me such an amazing foundation for being an entrepreneur. And I wouldn't be here today if it weren't for network marketing. So I'm really, really grateful for that. Anything else? We started doing Pinterest strategy sessions. So this is for people that don't want to take a course, but they want to dive into Pinterest and just work with me privately for like 1 to 2 hours where I'm just like doing the work for them of this is your keywords. This is what you need to do. This is exactly how your board should be set up, like A to Z, and get her done in less than 2 hours. So we started offering that as well. That's pretty much it. We have a bunch of different streams of income, as you can see. The biggest thing for you, I want you to think of what could you offer outside of what you're doing right now. So maybe you are in network marketing, or maybe you're just doing one-on-one coaching. Could you create a course? Could you do something that's a little bit more passive? Could you become an affiliate for something? Like, I want you to think outside the box. There's so many ways that you can earn money online. The biggest focus though is building a personal brand and building your email list. And that's what's going to make all these other things possible. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, comment below and head to the blog she'smakinganimpact.com. I've got tons of resources to help you build a killer business and make a killer impact doing so. So I'll talk to you later.